Did you know the demand for certain minerals will skyrocket by over 500% in the next decade? Could 2025 be the year the mining industry booms? Today, we're diving deep into this tantalizing possibility. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the potential of a massive mining boom in 2025. From economic trends to technological advancements, what could this mean for the global economy? Let's dive in and find out. The mining industry is currently facing a multitude of challenges. One of the most significant issues is fluctuating demand. In recent years, we've seen a considerable drop in demand for certain minerals, partly driven by increasing environmental concerns. Governments and consumers are pushing for more sustainable practices, which has increased costs and reduced productivity in some areas. Technological advancements are a double-edged sword for the industry. While new technologies have made mining more efficient, they have also made it more expensive. Many companies are struggling to keep up with the rapid pace of innovation, finding it challenging to balance the benefits of new technology against its substantial costs. Furthermore, the industry faces a shortage of skilled workers. As older workers retire and fewer young people enter the field, mining companies have difficulty finding the talent to operate at full capacity. All these factors combine to create a challenging environment for the mining sector. However, despite these significant obstacles, several indicators suggest a mining boom could be on the horizon. So, what factors could lead to a mining boom in 2025? First, the increased demand for minerals like lithium and cobalt is crucial for the growth of renewable energy and electric vehicles. As the world shifts towards cleaner energy sources, these minerals will become even more essential, driving up demand significantly. Economic trends also play a substantial role. The global economy is expected to grow in the coming years, naturally increasing the demand for raw materials. This growth, combined with the current low levels of investment in the mining sector, could lead to a surge in mining activities as companies rush to meet the new demand. Despite their high costs, technological advancements could also provide a significant boost. New technologies like automation and artificial intelligence can potentially increase productivity and reduce operating costs in the long term. These advancements could make mining operations more efficient and profitable, contributing to the potential boom. Lastly, policy changes and governmental support for mining activities, particularly those aligned with clean energy initiatives, could further fuel the industry's growth. Grants, subsidies, and favorable regulations could lower the barrier to entry and expansion for mining companies, setting the stage for a substantial increase in mining activities. According to a recent report by the International Energy Agency, the demand for minerals such as lithium and cobalt is expected to increase by over 500% in the next decade. This staggering number could have profound implications for the mining industry. Colleen Regan, head of commodities research at Bloomberg NEF, has stated that we are entering a supercycle, primarily driven by the explosive growth of renewable energy and electric vehicles. This supercycle could mean unprecedented growth for the mining industry. Companies that position themselves well to take advantage of these trends could see significant returns. The combination of increased demand, technological advancements, and supportive economic policies creates a perfect storm that could propel the mining sector to new heights in 2025. Imagine an industry where operations are more efficient than ever, driven by top-tier talent and cutting-edge technologies. This is the vision some experts have for 2025, and it paints a rather promising picture of the future of mining. So, what does all this mean? The conditions seem ripe for a mining boom in 2025. With increased demand for essential minerals, technological advancements, and favorable economic trends, the mining industry could be on the brink of a major upturn. If these predictions hold, we could be witnessing the dawn of a new era in mining. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the potential mining boom in 2025 as we are, share your thoughts in the comments below. And for more insights, don't forget to watch our video on the top mining stocks in 2025. Stay tuned and subscribe for more updates on this rapidly evolving industry.